Hey guys, what's going on? Two Cruise here, checking in with... We've got Thuong here. We're also here with Lawrence, our awesome host here in Chiang Mai. And we're doing our first big ride on the mountain bikes, hitting up some trails over here at Mai Jo Farm. So I guess this is run by the local university here, and just growing a whole bunch of different things out here. And they've got some different trails, supposedly for mountain biking. So Thuong and I are out here on our new XC mountain bikes. This is our first time coming out here. Pretty pumped. Get out on some trails. And just beautiful area for riding out here. Of course, no cars. That's the great thing about mountain bikes. You don't have to worry about cars. So this park is off to the northeast side of Chiang Mai from the center of the city. So we had to ride up here. Lawrence is lucky, he lives out this way, so he's got all this awesome riding right at his doorstep. Starting with a nice fast downhill. Oh, we're turning off here. Hello. So we're lucky, we're on the mountain bikes today. Lawrence is braving the trails on his road bike with cyclocross tires. Some nice two-track back here. Are the trails around here mostly two-track, or they have some single-track too?
Mostly two-track.
Mostly two-track?
You'll see some single-track later on.
Okay.
Wow.
I don't think Thuong's ridden much two-track before. This should be a good experience for her. Woo! Whoa! Little loose in that turn. All right, what does Thuong think of these trails? Oh, we've got a scary dog group up here. Chikaku ni hashite, Lawrence no chikaku. All right, all bark, no bite. That's definitely a big difference. We never had any dogs on our mountain bike rides in Japan. Yeah, the trails are really dusty right now. It's only rained one day since we moved here, almost a month ago. So perfect conditions for riding, but you gotta be careful on the trails. A little bit dusty, a little slippery. It's pretty fun though. Nice to have a solid double track route that's not just climbing straight up a fire road. The only trails in Japan are basically going up a mountain. All right, Thuong, how is it so far?
Yeah, fun.
Fun?
Funny. Yeah,
Funny?
funny.
Not funny, fun.
Fun.
Very fun?
Yeah, very fun.
And not too difficult?
No?
Easy?
Yeah, a little.
A little difficult?
Yeah.
How are the new bikes?
Good.
Good?
So light, so fast.
So light, so fast. So these are our new mountain bikes. This is the Kaze/29er aluminum mountain bike, performing like a champ on our first trail ride. And we have the nice comfort of big fat tires, a big suspension. Lawrence here is on a pretty tough road bike, but feeling okay on the trails?
Oh, good. Yeah, my old stomping grounds.
All right, so we're gonna continue up this way. Yeah, hardtail 29er, perfect choice for this kind of course. Big wheels just roll over everything. My old bike in Japan was a 27.5. Definitely feels nice to be back on a 29er. Ooh, a little pond over here. Yeah, nice little mix of flowy trails here. Nice and flat, some little risers, nothing too bad. I think this is pretty fun for Thuong. All of our mountain biking in Japan was always up like really steep service roads. So it's nice for her to do some more kind of flat mountain biking which I think is more enjoyable for beginners anyway, or people who aren't like pure climbers. Feels so good to be back on some dirt roads though. Really reminds me of riding in my hometown. We have hundreds and hundreds of miles of just gravel roads. Really fun to explore. Really great for riding, especially with the low traffic. You don't have to deal with any cars out here. The biggest problem, you just gotta watch out for the dog packs, but they're not too bad. We got some burning going on over here.
Charcoal.
Are they just burning garbage?
They're making charcoal.
Oh, making charcoal.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You see that quite often back here?
Yeah. That other place where the dogs got up and barked at us, that's a charcoal maker right there.
Oh, okay. There's our first bike we've seen on this road. Yeah, that doesn't look too comfy on the scooter either. Do you see many dirt bikers out here? Like dirt motorbikes?
Oh, no.
No?
Really, no.
It's not that popular?
No. Even surprisingly, no.
Yeah, I would think like motor ATV sports would be popular. Fun little downhill here. Woo! So I just checked the map, and actually we're no longer in Mejo Farm. We're technically riding the roads around Mejo Farm now. We're going a little bit away from there. Lawrence is showing us a different path over to the reservoir. I think we're gonna have to come back here another day and check out some of the dedicated XC trails. From what I've checked online, it looks like they do have some dedicated XC trails over at Mejo Park, so we're gonna have to come back here another day and check those out when we have some more time. And back on some pavement now. Not for long. Nice and quiet out here, just no traffic, really peaceful, surrounded by beautiful nature. Some big mountains off in the distance too. I don't think we're climbing any of those today. Some big potholes in the ground though. You gotta watch out for those. Oh wow. Check out this beautiful reservoir here. You can't look at the sights too long though. You never know if there's just going to be a big pothole or drop or a big rock in your path. Yeah, geez, just an interesting series of different roads here. Looks like we're entering a little kind of single track path here. Ooh, some big gravel. Okay. Gonna be careful on this loose descent. Yeah, the ground is really slippery. Loose rocks, loose sands. This is our first trail ride in a long time. We're gonna take it nice and slow, nice and safe. Man, so pumped right now. Yeah, Thuong's pretty natural at selecting the lines. That's the important thing when riding mountain bikes. You need to learn to read the trail ahead, adapt quickly, pick the good lines. Woo! Having fun, Thuong-chan? Yeah. Thuong-chan's famous. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That was fun. Yeah, fun, Thuong-chan?
Yes.
You like mountain bike?
Yes.
Yes. This mountain bike is easier than in Japan?
Yes.
No big hills?
No, we can. Up, down, up, down.
Up, down, okay.
Okay.
Up, 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 up.
No.
No.
Up, down. Okay.
Up, down, okay. So we're finishing up our trail ride today, but this is a good toe dipping exercise on the new mountain bikes on some trails. Thuong-chan had a good time,
Yeah.
and now we're gonna go get some chicken.
Yes.
There's an awesome chicken restaurant pretty close to Lawrence's house.
Yes.
Thuong-chan's been wanting to go back there.
Yes.
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 All right, let's go.
Let's go.
And for anyone who's watching our videos, still wondering why we left Japan, why we moved here to Thailand for cycling, check out these awesome roads. We had an awesome time on today's ride. And there's just endless roads like this up here. Oh, here we go. All right, we parked our bikes over here. We didn't bring our locks, but we'll keep them in sight, should be okay. This is the parking lot area for the chicken restaurant. It's right off the main highway here, and you can see they're just grilling the chicken up here right in front. Oh, smells really good. So we're getting some of that. Thuong-chan's been dreaming of this chicken. ずっと欲しかったね。
Yeah, ずっと食べたかった。あと今すごいいい匂いする。
すごいいい匂い。All right, let's go get our table. Oh wow, they're packed today. All right, our food has arrived. We've got the chicken for Thuong-chan. I think she's pretty pumped. So it comes with some really good dipping sauces. That's one of the reasons we wanted to come back here. One more dish. What else did you order?
Kind of a grilled pork salad.
Grilled pork salad? Okay. All right. Itadakimasu.
Yeah, come on.
How's the chicken, Thuong-chan?
Good.
Good. She's getting pretty tired. We're about 53K into our ride so far. We only had oatmeal for breakfast, so she's pretty hungry.
Yeah.
After this, she'll be able to rock it back home. And this also comes with the sticky rice.
Yeah.
So that's one of our favorites. How did you say sticky rice in Thai?
Khao niao.
Khao niao.
Chấm chop khao nhiều. Chấm chop viên khao nhiều.
How's Thuong-chan's Thai so far?
Ooh, I think I want another one.
Yeah, we might need another.
À.
Yeah, we were thinking about just riding up this way one day to come to this restaurant. I'm glad we were able to come back. All right, Thuong, are you satisfied with today's meal? Manzokushita?
Yes. I'm
Yes.
happy life.
Happy life.
Yes.
Yes. All right, guys, we're gonna finish up this video here today. We had an awesome time riding our mountain bikes, getting our first dirt action, dirt roads, a little bit of trails. We're gonna have to come back out this way in a few more days and check out the real cross-country trails. I think they got some nice ones out over here. And a great way to finish, we got some Thuong-chan's favorite chicken.
Yes.
How did you think about today's ride today?
I think I have fun time. I like today course. Yes, up down, up down.
Up, down, up, down.
Yes,
And chicken.
and chicken.
Perfect combo.
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect day.
Happy life.
Okay. So let's finish up this video here, guys. A special thank you to all of our awesome supporters over on Patreon. Thanks to your guys' support, we're able to continue filming these videos. We really appreciate your guys' support. We'll see you next time here on Tubo Cruise.
Bye bye.